Morning, everyone. It's 8:39 on Wednesday, the 11th of August, and this is your video number 891, and it's a pre-opening comment for today, and we just had the CPI number, and on a month-over-month basis, it came in unchanged at 0.5 versus a 0.5 estimate. Unfortunately, the year-over-year number held steady at 5.4%, which is the highest in 30 years. You have to go back to 1991 to see a higher number. So people were expecting it to slide a little. It did not. It came in exactly as last month, 5.4%. Two bits of crypto news. Coinbase, which beat yesterday, and the stock was actually down. As a matter of fact, last night in the closing comment, it had recovered a little to 272.5 after trading down around 268. This morning continues to gain, now 278.77, up $8.10. So a little bit of a recovery there. They did beat, and I wasn't sure why it was down so hard to begin with, but it was. The other piece of news is that there was a hack and a theft of 600 million in cryptos. The information is a little sketchy, so when I have more for that, I'll bring it back out to you. Upstart, recent new issue, beat both top and bottom line. They love it. The stock is 163, up 27.32. Wendy's also beat top and bottom line, and that one is up 63 cents, or just under 3%, at 22.66. Both of those companies gave good forward guidance in excess of expectations. Moderna, which has been on a tear, traded as high as 497 yesterday, trading in the 440s today, 448.90, down another 8 after yesterday's big reversal. And the futures on that news are not doing anything overwhelming, although the oil has popped up. It was 66.67 earlier, currently now down only 93 cents, which is substantial. So far it's been an inside day, a little bit of a higher low and a lower high, so we'll see which way it breaks. Right now it's about 2/3 down on the range. The gold, which is recovering very slowly, up about $8, but to get a look at this one, to get perspective here, we came down from 1835 to 1677, so yesterday's up $5 and today's up $8 is really kind of a minimal move. I mean, there's going to be resistance in this area, this 1750, 1760 area, and we're still really nowhere near it, even with the news today. Earlier today, it was down on the day and did come back, but I would hardly call it roaring back when you're up 580 after being down 160 in a 3-day period. The futures for stocks are now higher. They were a little lower before the number. NASDAQ is up 15, up 4.5 on the S&P, and up about 65 in the Dow. The cryptos up 610 in the Bitcoin, up 86 in Ethereum, and the bonds are down. I listened last night and I heard on Fast Money how, the bonds moving from 113 to 133 was such an exceptional move to the downside, and that used to take months and etc. Nobody's mentioning that it went from that the bonds went from 175 to 113 in the same 4-day period as what they've done so far here. We are a little lower. We are getting oversold. Don't know if we're going to get down as far as this orange line, which is the 50-day moving average. There should be some support actually right where it is right now. We are actually in the TBT calls, and TBT this morning traded as high as, excuse me, 1847. The last is 1801, and 1801 is up just one tick. So not much going on there either. All right, everyone. I will be back later on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button so that you can get all of the information. Yesterday we had, besides the pre-opening comment, we also had a new 2 minutes with Sharif Suki for Tellurian. And I really don't want you to miss those. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there.